CHZ certainly faces obstruction at 20 cents, or so they generally thought. CHZ down roughly 1.66% inside the very most recent 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, exhibiting how CHZ down around 1.66% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz sort of shows negative force throughout the end of the week, exhibiting that Chilliz for the most part shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in a genuinely significant manner. 17 December 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what basically is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, sort of is CHZ, a generally excellent speculation. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, or so they generally thought. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us in every practical sense discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, showing that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20. Exhibiting how CHZ down around 1.66% inside the most recent 24 hours, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,590,508,773,070 in an unobtrusive manner. The fundamentally absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at $47,266,939,707, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69%. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 1.26%, coming to $2,227.65 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.32, following a value change of 1.39% within a similar time span. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69%, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere around 0.87 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $73.24 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 4.71% in esteem, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions generally show that the market in every practical sense is going in a descending course for commonly present moment, so the sort of all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $47,266,939,707, which basically is genuinely huge. As of now, an especially broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, further appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path and in every way that really matters, significant way. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become basically more by and large dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants for the most part become move in every practical sense, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that XRP the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 0.87 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution, the cost of Chilliz, CHZ, sort of is at $0.082, down 1.66% in the beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 7.67% over the course of the week, showing how the especially complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $47,266,939,707 in a truly significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $63,073,264.00 United States dollars, while especially all-out market cap came to $636,463,044 United States dollars, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is $63,073,264.00 United States dollars, while really complete market cap came to $636,463,044 United States dollars, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. There certainly are practically 7,715,073,480 generally are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Fundamentally further appearance how Chilliz basically shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, exhibiting that Chilliz all things considered shows negative force throughout the end of the week, or so they explicitly thought. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 17 December 2023, inside a kind of everyday time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, showing how Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 17 December 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of beneath, which in a real sense is very critical. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving most certainly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including really basic moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, examine the future development of the Chilliz. Exhibiting how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more lovely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in a kind of significant manner. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin by and large is at present floating at 28 for 14 days in every practical sense, normal line, which truly implies CHZ fundamentally is in oversold zone, and a pattern in every practical sense, inversion generally is conceivable. Which truly shows that XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 0.87, and right now exchanging at 62 cents, which basically is very huge. The Chilliz sort of has certainly break all its generally upholds levels, and things basically are not looking excellent for the crypto market, certainly further appearance how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, exhibiting how CHZ down roughly 1.66% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Right now, really bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively essentially take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum